Okay, in this video, we're going to test the centralized order processing module in OneCart. So to test this module, you're going to go to the orders section over here, process orders, arrange shipping. So over here, you have the ability to toggle between each of your connected marketplaces, right, to check your pending orders. Now, remember, in this account, this is a demo account, so there are no real orders to show you. But on your side, if you have a few pending orders, you'll be able to toggle and see them. So for example, over here, step 1, check and confirm. I have a Lazada order. And so what I would do is, actually the first thing you should do is download your pick list, your consolidated pick list. And so to do that, you can go ahead and click on download. And I recommend selecting the first option, CSV formatted. So this will just be an Excel with all of the SKUs that you need to go and pick out with the quantity and the address of the customer. You can also download a SKU list. So like, each SKU, how many quantities you need to go and pick out. So this is if you're trying to go and pick out all of your items to be packed in bulk rather than going and picking out each item for each pack one by one. So assuming you've downloaded your pick list, the next step would be to, of course, you have to go and pack. Maybe you're doing it yourself or your staff is doing it for you. But then you have to fulfill the order on the online platform. And so to do that, you can do it in bulk. So assuming you have a few orders, imagine you have maybe 5 or 6 orders stacked up over here. You would come here, click on the bulk check mark, and then under bulk actions, you can either set a ready to ship, set as packed and print shipping, or set as packed and print invoice. So this mirrors exactly how you would have to do it on Lazada, except you're doing it from a centralized panel here in OneCart. And then, of course, you can go ahead and repeat for Shopee. So, of course, there's no orders here, but you would go ahead and bulk check over here under bulk action, arrange your pickup if you're using the platform 3PL like a Ninja Van or JNT. And note that OneCart will automatically go and find the right settings from your seller center for the delivery address, for the pickup address. If you're doing a seller-owned fleet or a drop-off, you would select, of course, ship, order, drop-off, or seller-owned fleet. Now, once you've checked and confirmed and the status effectively goes from pending to shipped, the next step would be, if you need them, is to get your waybill. So to get your waybill, you would go to step 2, print documents. The orders would have transitioned from step 1 into step 2. And from here, you can bulk select whichever orders you want to download the waybill for. Click on bulk action and click on print. Now another tab will open up with the PDF of the waybills. And you can repeat, of course, for Q10 and Lazada. Shopify. So OneCart at this time, as of March 2024, is not connected to couriers directly. So that means on this page for Shopify or even for your WooCommerce website, you can confirm orders, meaning you can mark them as shipped from OneCart. And to do that, it's very easy. You bulk select, click confirm orders. But then for the actual scheduling of the pickup, you would still have to go to your courier website and order the pickup from there. So we are working on a direct integration to Ninja Van and JNT and the others. If you would like an update, you can ping us and we'll let you know where things stand at this point.
Ready to take your e-commerce business to the next level? With OneCart, you get effortless inventory syncing, streamlined listing management, and seamless multi-platform integration. Don't just take our word for it. Hear from our happy customers. Experience the OneCart difference and start your free trial today. Simplify your workflow, grow your business. OneCart, your all-in-one e-commerce solution.